everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our World Tour series, we will uncover the beautiful Tibet and experience an amazing painting of Buddhist monks paying devotion to Lord Buddha. So stay with us till the end and do not miss your chance to experience the blessings. This painting is based on a scene where three Buddhist monks we can see are praying to Lord Buddha. This is a representation of a thought that God always blesses us whenever we go to Him. Whenever we cry, He also feels sad. Whenever we are happy, He is also happy. The only thing is that we should devote with full mind and soul. I just thought of representing my thought in this way, in form of a painting. Buddhist monasticism is one of the earliest surviving forms of organized monasticism and one of the fundamental institutions of Buddhism. Here, monks and nuns called bhikkhu are responsible for the preservance and disseminations of the Buddha's teaching and the guidance of Buddhist lay people. And what is their role? What role do they play as a Buddhist monk? Since the earliest times of Buddhism, the Buddhist monks has played a central role in the both spiritual and social matters. The monks were exhorted to work for the well-being of all, and as a result, they and the Buddhist temple became the center of spiritual and agricultural life of villages. And what is their belief? Buddhists believe that nothing is fixed or permanent and that change is always possible. The path to enlightenment is through the practice and development of morality, meditation and wisdom. Buddhists believe in the life that is both endless. Life is endless and subject to impermanence, suffering and uncertainty. And what monks do? A monk may be a person who decides to dedicate his life to serving all the other living beings, or to be an ascetic who voluntarily chooses to leave mainstream society and live his or her life in prayer and contemplations. Now we can see Buddhist monk wherever people believe in Buddhism, wherever Buddhism is available. But here we talk about Tibet. Tibetan Buddhism is also called Lamaism, a branch of Vajrayana. Buddhism is that evolved from 7th century CE in Tibet. Tibetan Buddhism also incorporates the monastic disciplines of early Theravada Buddhism and the shamanistic features of the indigenous Tibetan religion, Bon. Tibetan Buddhism is the form of Buddhism practiced in Tibet, where it is the dominant religion. It also has adherents in the religious surroundings, the Himalayas, such as Bhutan, Ladakh and Sikkim as well. Now it is very interesting that we might feel interested to know in daily life what they do. What is the daily life of a Tibetan monk? Tibetan monks or lamas lead a fairly peaceful life. At daybreak, the monk on duty will climb to the rooftop of great assembly hall of the monastery and clap his hands for 3 times and loudly pray for the blessings of Goddess of Mercy, also known as Gunayan. I hope that you liked today's soulful Tibetan Buddhist monks painting, a representation of thoughts. Let us know in comment section. We will discover new art forms of new places and unknown facts. So if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about different art forms of different places and unknown facts about them, subscribe our channel. We wish you an awesome week ahead. Bye bye. Take care.